In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the sound on your MacBook is too low. So if the audio on your Mac is quiet and you're having difficulties hearing it, then there's basically two different ways we can use to fix this. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the Apple logo in the top left-hand side, then come down to System Preferences. From here, click on the Sound tab. Then what you need to do is head over to the Output tab and make sure your internal speakers are selected here. And then we need to come down to Balance, and this slider here should be directly in the center like so. And then Output Volume, you just want to adjust this slider to make sure it's turned all the way up to full. Now these are the built-in settings on your MacBook that you can use to adjust the volume. If you already have these settings turned up to full, then I basically have one more method for you guys where you can turn up your volume. So what you need to do is head over to an internet browser, and from here you just need to search for EQ Mac. Now come over to this website here, this top search result, and then you'll need to go ahead and download this application to your computer. It's completely free and safe to download, and once you've downloaded this, we're going to simply launch up the application like so, and this is what the app will look like. And you can see here underneath this volume tab we have this section called Boost. Now this boost option is going to let us increase our volume above the recommended amount. So if I just click on this like so, we can then come down to the internal speakers section, and you can see at the moment it's set to 100%. Well, we can actually increase this to over 100% now. So you can just play around with this and find what works best for you. Usually around 250% is good for my laptop, but you can increase this all the way up to even 500%. It really depends on how quiet your volume is. And once you've applied these settings, you can just minimize out of this window, and then you can head over to an application and play some sound from your MacBook, and that should have now fixed the low sound issue. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.